G'day everyone, welcome to part 9 of the Team Associated B5M build series. Part 9 we will be doing probably what is the most hated part of building a radio control kit. Now that is the turnbuckles. Now, as I've said previously, if there are multiple of the same thing that has to be done, I will go ahead and do most of them and then leave one, maybe two, just to show you how it's done. So what I'll be doing is I've done the front and steering turnbuckles. I need to go over them a little bit. They seem to be binding a little bit, but I mean I've been reading on forums that is a little bit normal. So what I've done, as I've mentioned in the unboxing, I'll be using these are the Lunsford Racing titanium turnbuckles. The kit ones, where did I put the kit ones? I had them around here somewhere. Never mind. Yeah, the kit ones I will not be using. Here they are. Yeah, so these are the kit ones. As you can see, these ones are black. The Lunsford ones are silver. So I won't be using them. So what we'll do is we'll get into it. What I have done is I've used my digital calipers to do to get the length. Now, this is quite annoying. I usually have a little spanner that fits it, but these are imperial, believe it or not. So this will be a little bit annoying to do. Okay, now this is when it starts to fight. Don't be worried about stripping the message. Yeah, don't be worried about stripping the thread on there. These do go in a fair way, and on the thread on these Lunsford turnbuckles are quite short. They're fairly similar to the Team Associated ones, so no need to worry. Alright, so same principle again. This is how I'm doing it. This makes it a little bit quicker. Alright, now this is the part where we have to make sure that they're the same, pretty much spot on. Okay, so now with these these ball cups, they have a curved side to them. That means that the underneath here is a little bit wider than the top, so you want to put them on that way. Okay, so I'll just get this so that they're the same. Okay, so that has to, I've got to turn that way. Now when these may not be completely perfect straight away, for the fact you kind of got to eyeball it a little bit. So what I will do is I do have a setup station, and I'll put the car on the setup station once I've finished building. So So like I said, you want them as close as possible. Alright, so that's that. So you can understand why people hate doing this part of the build. Alright, so now this is where it gets interesting. I had a multi-grips here somewhere. There we go. So you've got to get the multi-grips in here. And just squeeze it down. Okay, put the drive shaft in. And easy peasy. Okay, last one. I got that one round the wrong way. Just give me a quick second. Alright. Same thing again. And there we go. So you can see what I mean, how this one's alright, but there's a little bit of binding here, so I'm going to have to go over that shortly. So those are the turnbuckles, people. Okay, so that's the end of part 9. In part 10, we will go ahead with building the shocks. So stay tuned, people.